Retrofit is a network communication library that makes sending requests and receiving replies very easy. It is designed to help developers implement network communications quickly while avoiding errors and complexity. This course is designed to give you both theoretical knowledge and practical experience. If you have never used Retrofit before, or tried it and limited yourself to basic, superficial use, this course will help you. We will start with the basics, learning how to set up Retrofit in an Android project and perform our first requests. We will then talk about various concepts and components, and finally discuss advanced topics like pagination, authentication, and synchronous versus asynchronous communications. We will implement each new concept in a small project to make sure you practice what we talk about. Also, we will apply the Retrofit concepts to develop two real-world Android applications: a StockOverflow API app that displays questions and answers, and a GitHub repositories app that uses authentication to list user repositories and allow us to send comments to pull requests. I am an expert Android developer with over 6 years of Android experience and more than 2 years of teaching, both online and in person. I have designed this course to be easy to follow and understand, but also practical, full of examples and real-world projects. This course is the most complete resource for learning Retrofit and applying the knowledge in Android applications. So why not sign up now? And let's get started learning about Retrofit.